Hello, friends. A very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to introduce a very powerful love spell that would help you out to get your ex back, or your lover back, or your crush in your life. Because I got many calls and emails that people are getting problems and they are facing the lots of problems in their love issue. So today I'm going to tell you how, with the help of two cardamoms, you can get your ex back. You have to take three things with you: a paper, a marker. The marker should be black. The two cardamoms. That's it. Nothing required, or nothing required after this love spell, and you would see that your lover is coming back in your life forever, and or that person is trying to make any kind of contact with the help of this love spell. First of all, you have to write 1 4 3 here, and 1 4 3 here. You have to write 1 4 3 here, 1 4 3 here. This is the symbol of love. And here you have to draw a box. Box should be like this. After that, you have to write here your lover's name. For example, her name is Lita, and she is living in United States. And your name you have to write, for example, your name is Rohan and you live in Canada. You have to write these the magical words. You have to write bilam kutam swaha. You have to write these words. After that, you have to keep one cardamom on this and one on this. Please keep this cardamom like this, that I keep that. After that, you have to make a one heart on it like this. Please give your attention while making this heart. This cardamom should not be moved. Like, for example, you keep it like this, and on the other hand you like this, you keep it. Please don't remove it, don't move it. Try to do that, it should not be moved. After that, you have to keep your hands like this, and you have to put this paper on this. Please try to do that your cardamom should not be moved. Then you have to say this word, come bilam kutam swaha. Bilam kutam swaha. You have to say these words for 21 times. After that, if you are facing any kind of issue while doing this love spell, please call or message on WhatsApp on this number, or this number is also showing on the top of the screen. This is the number of the master who is doing or preparing this kind of love spell. And after that you have to fold this paper like this towards you. Okay, and you have to make a circle like this. And you have to keep this paper in your pocket for a couple of hours, and you would see the positive result of that love spell. If you are facing any kind of problem while doing this spell, please call us on our number that is showing up the top of the screen. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.